Everyone has the same 24 hours, but why does it feel like some people live two lives in one day, while others can't even finish a simple to-do list? Today, I'm giving you the only guide you'll ever need to master your time. The mindset shift. First, it's important to acknowledge you can't create more time. You can only choose where to direct it. True time management is actually about managing your energy. If you spend your energy on things you consider secondary, like taking on someone else's routine, you simply won't have the mental resources left for your most important goals. Every minute given to something that doesn't bring growth is a minute stolen from your future. Practical steps to productivity. The 3-task rule. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose 3 priorities for the day that are non-negotiable. If you complete only these 3, your day is already a success. Time blocking. Multitasking is an illusion that only decreases efficiency. If you're in a creative mode, create. If you're planning, plan. Dedicate specific blocks of time for each task and stay focused. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, like answering an email or making a quick call, do it immediately. Don't let small tasks pile up and occupy your mental space for weeks. Digital hygiene and focus. Your phone is a useful tool, not a toy. Turn off all notifications that don't add value or bring you genuine happiness. Break the habit of mindlessly checking your feed. Every time you pick up your phone without a clear purpose, you're surrendering your attention to a random stream of information. Try using Do Not Disturb mode during deep work. Remember, if a task doesn't align with your priorities, it can wait. Making time for everything isn't about being busy 24/7. It's about being intentional with your choices. Start small, stay consistent, and respect your time. It is your most valuable currency.